advanced technology for creating smaller, lighter engines, as well as the state-of-the-art technologies cultivated through MotoGP to further evolve this engine. State-of-the-art technology is used in Suzuki's Pride, the oil cooling system, to achieve a major leap forward. Separate flow lines are used for lubrication and cooling, and the system of cooling by dots is changed to a cooling system covering a wider area. In particular, a new cooling oil flow line is added near the combustion chamber to allow faster cooling over a wide area. Moreover, a boundary layer breaker on the inside and outside of the oil jacket, which is newly adopted, has improved the heat transfer rate. These enable controlling of the engine temperature so that it's maintained at the optimal temperature for combustion efficiency. As a result, it reduces the frequency of thermal expansion of the metal, improving engine durability. Maintenance is easy too, because it requires no cooling water. It also has 4 valves, rarely being an SOHC engine, realizing high revolution and high output, similar to a DOHC engine. Compared to a DOHC engine that requires the moving of 2 camshafts, the SOHC engine is simple in structure, lightweight, and compact. It has valves, shim-type roller rocker arms, retainers, and a piston that have been made using technology derived from MotoGP. State-of-the-art technologies have realized a lighter engine with less friction loss. The overall engine has evolved greatly. Furthermore, printed surface treatment of the piston skirt area has reduced friction loss in the piston itself. This has contributed to increased output and better fuel efficiency. Cooper grip treatment on the cylinder has improved heat transfer performance, cooling performance, and durability. The use of these numerous state-of-the-art technologies has increased the power output and torque of the new engine throughout the entire range of speeds. This ensures stress-free performance from low to mid-range up to high-range speeds, while also achieving low fuel consumption and higher engine durability. Lighter engines with higher output and lower fuel consumption were developed by using the latest oil cooling system combined with MotoGP technology. Installed with the newly developed 250 cubic centimeter oil-cooled